grilled buffalo chicken thighs. Perfect for game day gatherings. It's packed with flavor and easy to make. Let me show you how. I'm going to start with a little avocado oil. This is going to help our spice rub cling to the meat. Today I'm using Texas rub from Old 36. This is my own SPG rub. You can find this on the website. And there's an SPG rub mix in the recipe. We love wings, but they've gotten expensive. I grabbed these thighs for 99 cents a pound, and they eat just as good. I'm topping this off with some lime zest. This will balance the warmth and the heat in the sauce. Gives our chicken a bright lift. Let this rest and let's whip up our sauce. Start with 1 stick of butter. As this melts, add in your ½ cup of hot sauce. Let that come down to a slow simmer. We don't want a rolling boil. Toss in your seasonings. Hit it with 1 to 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And cut off your heat. Let your sauce sit about 3 minutes. Now we're going to add in a secret ingredient, heavy cream. 2 tablespoons goes in. This gives us a creamy, rich balance and body that clings to the meat. I'm cooking on the PK grill today, and I'm set for 2-zone cooking. I'm starting off on the cool side to put a little smoke on our chicken. After 10 minutes, these thighs have a little color and smoke on them. So I'm going to move these over directly over the coals. And I'm going to flip these about every 5 minutes until I reach an internal temperature of 165. The chicken's hitting an internal temp of between 165 and 170, so it's time to hit our first layer of sauce. We're going to let these rest about 5 minutes. After a few minutes, we're going to flip these and hit the skin side with our sauce. After this sauce is set in, it's time to put these back on the pan and take them inside. We're not done yet. I like 1 more layer of sauce. So our first glaze locked in our sauce. And this one just sits right on top and deepens that flavor. It's time to taste this grilled buffalo chicken. This buffalo chicken is layered with flavor. You get the smoke and the spice. The sauce doesn't overwhelm. Balanced flavor with every bite. It's always good cooking with you. If it's your first time here, hit subscribe for more easy to follow recipes that you can make right at home. And as always, keep it bold, keep it spicy. And until next time, adios. Go back for some more.